Hello, this is Miss Hutchins, and today we're going to be looking at a story called A Forest Welcome. This story can be found on page 36 in your My Book. This story is a fantasy. Fantasies are stories with made-up events that cannot really happen in real life. Good readers, before they read the story, are able to make a prediction about what they think will happen. In this story, Sunny Bunny is moving into a new home. What do you think will happen when she meets her neighbors? Make a prediction. And then go ahead and record your answer on page 36 in your My Book. Let's read to find out what happens when Sunny Bunny moves to her new home. A Forest Welcome. All morning, Sunny Bunny hops cheerily around the forest. Finally, she stopped near a pretty tree and grinned. She had found the perfect spot to make her new home. Scritch, scratch. Sunny's little bunny claws quickly dug at the dirt. A raccoon was resting high up in the tree and heard Sunny Bunny. "Welcome to the neighborhood," he said. "I am Roy Raccoon, and I am a great digger. Let me help you." What do you think the setting of the story is? A setting of a story is when and where the story happens. A setting can be a time of day or year, as well as a place. Go ahead and underline in your My Book on page 37 what you think the setting is. Good readers, when reading, ask questions about the text. They can find their answers to their questions by looking for details in both the words and the pictures. If you have questions, go ahead and put a question mark next to the text about things you have questions about. At the bottom of page 37, you will see a Check My Understanding. Why do you think the setting of a story is important? Why would that be important to a reader? Go ahead and write in the blanks on page 37 why you think that is important. "I am Sunny Bunny," Sunny said to her new friend. "It's nice to meet you, Roy." When Barb Bear heard there was a new bunny in town, she threw a big party to welcome Sunny. All the forest animals came. Sunny was thrilled to make so many new friends. When the party ended, it was quite late. Sunny was not sure she could find her way home. Sid Skunk said not to worry because he could see in the dark. He led Sunny all the way home. When she was snug in her bed, Sunny smiled. She was going to like her new home. Which animals do you think helped Sunny? Go ahead and underline their names in the text. Remember, as you're doing this, good readers use details in the stories and the illustrations to help understand what a character thinks and how he or she feels. Also remember that asking and answering questions about the characters and events will help you to remember the important details of a story. What do you think was the surprising part of the story? Go ahead and put an exclamation point, that is what this is called, next to the surprising part of the story. At the bottom of page 38, you will see what questions did you ask before, during, and after reading. How did your questions help you understand the story? That is the check my understanding at the bottom. Go ahead and write what questions you asked and how they helped you understand the story. Great job. Thank you so much for listening.